Hello everyone, I am Arpit Kumar Sharma and welcome back to Pabbly. So today I am going to tell you how you can create an issue in your Jira software automatically when a specific type of email is received in your Gmail account. Now let me give you an example. Why would you need this automation? Suppose you are a game developer and you have specific type of games. For example, you have one game as car racing, one is arm wrestling, and third one is fighting. Okay, for example, now somebody is facing issue in the car racing game and he is sending you emails regarding that issue on your Gmail account. Now we want the issues related to car racing game only filtered from your Gmail account and to be shared in your Jira software as an issue. So whenever somebody will send you issues related to car racing game, that issue will be sent to the Jira software and an automatic issue will be created right there. Okay, now how are we going to do this? First, we will be receiving an email related to a particular term. After that, that email will be sent to the Jira software as an issue, or I should say that email will be sent to the Jira software and an issue will be created in the Jira software. And to do that, we are going to use an automation and integration service, Pabbly Connect, which will help us to connect our Gmail and Jira software together. Now, how are you going to do this? To learn that, you have to come with me to the screen.
So we are now at our screen and now we are going back to our address bar and we will type pabbly pabbly.com/connect, and as soon as you do that, you will be redirected here. And here you have two options. Either you can sign in or you can sign up. If you're not already a member of this beautiful family, just go for sign up, and signing up is absolutely free, and we are also giving you 100 free tasks every month to practice these workflows. Now, I already have an account, so I will go for sign in and I will go for access now. Now, what we are going to do, we are going to create Jira issues through our Gmail. Now, how are we going to do that? First, I am going to go and create a new workflow. So I'm just going to name this Gmail to Jira issues, okay? Workflow. Let me add this one for my memory. So Gmail to Jira issues workflow, I am just gonna create this. You can give any name. It is not necessary that you use the same name. So here are two windows, trigger and action, which in turn means trigger is basically when an event happens and that event will give command to the system interface to go further. So trigger is when something is happening and action is when something happens, do this, which means that task will be done in the action part. Now what are we going to do is, first we have to select our trigger application, which is the Gmail, but you cannot directly go on and connect Gmail right here, right? So what are we going to do? So we are going to use a technique which is called email parser, or I should say a feature which is called email parser. I will just select this. Now how to use this? What we will do is, whenever somebody will send us an email to our Gmail account, that email will be redirected to this email address, or I should say this, this email address, and then this email address will in turn collect the emails from our Gmail account and send it to the Pabbly Connect interface. From there, we will create a Jira issue. First we will connect the Jira to Pabbly Connect and then we will collect those issues into the Jira interface. Now, how are we going to do this? First, I'm gonna copy this. Okay. So let's copy this. Now, what you have to do, let's say you have to send mails to this email, which is michaelkaras481@gmail.com. Let me copy this first, then we will copy that later. So copy this, go to see all settings, filters and block addresses, and then just go for create a new filter. From here, you have to leave this field blank, and 2, which is our own Gmail address, michaelkaras481@gmail.com. Click on create filter. Now add a forwarding address. Now what is this forwarding address? This forwarding address is this address which we are going to get from Pabbly Connect. So let's copy this and let us paste it here. Next. And as soon as you will click on proceed, a response will be captured in Pabbly Connect. You can see this. And now you will see that it is asking us for a confirmation code. So where you are going to find this confirmation code, just come back here and search for body text. So this is body text, and here is the confirmation code 528076316. Let me copy this. Let me put it here, Control+V, and verify. So you can see now our mails have been forwarding to this mail address, which is something@pcmailhook.com. But do not forget to select it. If you will not select it, your process will not carry on further and it will not take place. So just select this and go for save changes. And you will see a message right on the top of your email account that you are forwarding your email to this mail address. Now what we are going to do, we are going to go back again here and we will recapture email parser response. And now what we are going to do, we are going to open another mail account. Let me open this one. Okay, and let me compose a message and send it to Michael Karas. So this is Michael Karas 481. Subject is Pabbly issue. Pabbly issue is the subject. Hey, I am having some issues in Pabbly Connect. Please have a look at them. Okay. Now what we are going to do is we are going to send, and then we will see here in Michael Karas account, do we have this mail or not? And we did not get this. Let me refresh it one more time. And you can see I have this message from the Social Fever Pabbly issue. Hey, I'm having some issues in Pabbly Connect. Please have a look at them. Okay. Now I'm again going back to Pabbly Connect, and you can see another response. I'm really sorry for that. Another response has been received where I have forwarded for Michael Karas, forwarded from where did you get this message? What is the subject? This is the address, the socialfever2020@gmail.com. So we have successfully taken this information right here. Now what we are going to do, we are going to connect it with our Jira account. But before that, obviously you do not want every mail to be sent to your Jira account, right? Or to your Jira interface. So what we are going to do is we are going to put a filter right here. Okay. And the filter is in the subject field, Pabbly issue. Now, contains. I will select the term contains. Now, whenever someone will write the term issue in your address, not the address, in your subject field or the body text, that mail from your Gmail account will come to your Jira interface, or that issue will be created in your Jira interface. If it does not have the keyword issue in your subject line or your body text, the mails will not be forwarded to your Jira application. Now save and send test request. So success, condition is true. Okay. And I have written here Pabbly issue. It doesn't mean that you only have to resolve Pabbly issue. It can be issues of any kind. So this is the, term which we are integrating with our for our Jira account. Now what I am going to do is I am going to select Jira here. So I'll just go and select Jira software. And now after that, I want to create a new issue. So I will just go and select create issue. And I already have a connection right here, but let me delete it once more and tell you from the start. So I'll just go on and add new connection, connect with Jira software. And you can see, again, I want to tell you that it is completely safe and your data is also completely safe with us. Now what we are going to do, we will select whatever project we want to, in which we want to send our, issue directly to. Okay. So like I have so many projects right here, and let me select Pabbly Connect project. Okay. So I am selecting a random project, Pabbly Connect project. And you can see this is the base URL. Now I'll just go issue type. If you want to select anything else, I would just stick on with the task summary. So summary is the subject line of my email, which is Pabbly issue. Description is the body part, which is body text. And this is, hey, I'm having some issues in Pabbly Connect. Please have a look at them. Okay. Priority, whatever the priority you want to set, highest, high, medium, low, lowest, it is up to you. And after that, just assignee ID. You can assign anyone to this ID. I am just assigning Ashi Rai to this one. And save and send test request. And as soon as I do that, you will see when a new ID is created. And let me go back to the account. And this is my project. Let me go to Pabbly Connect project and refresh this. And you can see there is a new issue, Pabbly issue description. Hey, I am having some issues in Pabbly Connect. Please have a look at them. Okay. Now let me give you example. This is my mail to Michael Kharas. Subject: problem in software. Okay. So this is the subject, problem in software. Hey, I am having problems with my software. This is the message. As soon as I'll send it and I'll go back here. So you can see that the message is sent to my Michael Kharas account. It is taking some time to refresh. So this is the message, it's the social fever, problem in software. Hey, I am having problems with my software. Now you can see we do not have the issue keyword in subject and we do not have it in body as well. So we do not have any issue right here in this project. Okay. Now let me give you one more example. To Michael Kharas 481, subject software issue. Software issue. Okay. Hey, I am having some issues with my softwares. I can't access trigger window. Okay. Hey, I am having some issues with my software. I can't access trigger window. Let me send this. Let me go back to this email. Refresh. One more time, refresh. And it is still not here. One more time, refresh. It is taking some time and it is here. The social fever, it is saying software issue. Hey, I am having some issues with my software. I can't access trigger window. Now I'll again go back to my Jira and I'll refresh this account. And you can see I have a new issue, software issue, description. Hey, I am having some issues with my software. I can't access trigger window. So this is how you can integrate your Gmail with your Jira, so that whenever a new email or I should say a new issue email is created and sent to your account, that would be redirected to your Jira project and your team can successfully work on it. Okay, so if you want to work and copy this amazing workflow, you can just go on to my description and just copy the link and paste it in your, or should I say clone it in your interface. But for that you have to sign up, because without that you will not be able to do anything. So what are you waiting for? Come on fast and sign up right now so that you can use this amazing workflow. Thanks a lot for watching me. I'm Arpit Kumar Sharma. Keep watching, keep learning. Love you all. Take care and hasta la vista.
So thanks a lot for watching our video. I hope you understood everything. If you want any other event to be added in our module, you can just mail at admin@pabbly.com. Apart from that, if you have any queries, you can just go on to this forum and ask about your queries. And if you want to check the pricing of the software, you can go on here and check the pricing of the software. I hope you understood everything and you loved every bit of our video. So keep loving, keep subscribing. Thank you.